Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1386 and today's topic is climate action, target to achieve UNO goal SDG number 13 globally how to achieve this target, that is climate action means we have to do the activities where we have to see the sustainability, and of course there are resources limitation, area, arid zone, and all these again I'm repeating are around water, energy and food. And first I will give you the example of Dubai. Dubai, they have just announced the targeting by implementing the plan, and they have mentioned that plan 2040. So in summary, I will tell you in 1-2 lines. The first thing their target is, according to their mission, from today onward, convert Dubai into urban forest, huge plantation, and they want to see that Dubai looks like thick forest plantation to make it green at any cost, and also to create community park, community farming, and also second point they have mentioned that local farming and production of fruit and vegetables, main emphasis on that. And already we are discussing that how to minimize the resources of energy, of water, and the land, soil, desertification, so that our ecosystem is not disturbed and we can sustain. So, and at the moment, Dubai is one of the most prosperous country, and Dubai has also taken this step to make Dubai urban forest. And that what they have mentioned is that is Dubai green spin urban forest community to develop it, and then also urban forest large scale urban plantation. The second point they have identified that infrastructure. Dubai is fastest growing in terms of population, in terms of resources, in terms of opportunities, is a global hub of business. So from all over the world, people are rushing to Dubai. And for your kind information, the population of Dubai in 1950s was only 40,000 people. Only 40,000. And today, in the year 2025, the population of Dubai is roughly 4 million. So how many zeros are added? And in coming decades, by 40, there is exponential increase in population. So they have to see this sustainability. And at the same time, UNO goal is there, 17 goal to achieve. That's why they have taken big step, and that they call it the, what we can say, planning or budget of Dubai 2040. By 2040, we must achieve that Dubai looks like thick urban forest. Dubai is sustaining in its local food production, local fruit and vegetable production, transportation, they call it blue transportation, means everybody who is working in hospital, working in school, working in offices, make sure that within 20 minutes time, they are reaching to their places. So, they have to develop such type of transportation and infrastructure. For that, they can go for drone, technology, for services. They can go for railway, they can go for bus, and so many other things. And also, they are creating space, green space, cycle space, car space, pedestrian, those who are going on foot, that space. So such type of lanes are constructed. So now they are in action. So for climate action in Nigeria also, once we are targeting to achieve, first we have to target the arid zone of Nigeria, that is North Nigeria, especially in Borno state area, Sokoto and Dramatru. All these area is known as arid zone, dry land. So we have to go in such a way so that we can cultivate such type of crop which are resilient to heat and scarcity of water. So we have to develop, or we have to bring such type of crop so that we can produce in hot and dry area. So that variety of crop we have to use. Second, we have to adopt the new technologies, sensor with artificial intelligence, and also blockchain technology, so that we can do the harvesting of water. And three type of harvesting is there. Harvesting from atmosphere, where 9 to 10% water is hanging. Then harvesting from rain during rainy season, and harvesting from ground, that is called ground water. And all these activities what we are doing globally to minimize the risk of our life and quality lifestyle. And let me make it very clear. All animals, whether it is cow, goat, ram, camel, fish, marine animals, they have value after death. When they die, they are sold in millions. For example, at moment in Japan, that is blue tuna fish, big fish of 10-15 kg, it costs millions of dollars. It goes from 2 million to 5 million US dollar. Like that, so many other marine animals, that is seafood, blue economy, that is the big source of protein, is very costly, and they are all dead animals. Cow, all these, when they die, you can sell them in millions of naira, but human being, once they are dead, they are zero. So this is the big difference in put all animals one side and we human being one side. We human being, whatever value we have till we are alive, of the last breath, the moment it is declared that Mr. X is dead, your value is zero. Nobody is going to pay $1 million, $2 million to purchase your dead body. Your muscles, your all body part, bone and everything is zero. But if you see the other animals on this planet, once they are dying, after death, they have a lot of value. Many animals, even their horn, even their skins. Some exotic animals, their skin goes up to millions. That's why our value, we have to evaluate that our all value is only till we are alive. Even if we are president, prime minister, doctor, professor, engineer, rich man, billionaire, senator, all position is tied with your life once you are alive. The moment you are dead, all positions become zero. So that's why, according to, I went through that Dubai is very smart. They have very smart cities. Those who are visiting Dubai, they must be knowing how much automation, infrastructure, all these are developed. But now there's this phase from 2025 onward, reaching up to 40. they are going to convert Dubai into urban forest. They are going to convert Dubai into community parking, into space, green space, to attract the people. And in that case, the climate will become favorable after plantation, so that international community who are coming for business, they should feel comfortable and they will be living standard of life. And your life is the most precious. That's why you should be very careful of the climate, weather, pollution, all these things. And definitely they are going to impact your life. And if your life is in danger, your health is in danger, you have lost everything, because immediately you will become zero. Once you are dead, you are zero. That's why till you are alive, you are okay. And once you are alive means you should be healthy. If you are physically challenged, you cannot do any job. And unless you are doing job, you cannot have financial freedom to clear your financial bill. So for human, we have to be very careful to all these factors of climate, energy, water, and food. So now, first one is addressing specific challenges of arid zone in Nigeria north. That specific challenges is scarcity of water. I have told you several methods are there. Then desertification. We should go for such type of plantation which can grow fast in desert area, or where there is scarcity of water. And in this area also, we should encourage to develop urban forest. Once Dubai can go like that, that is more arid as compared to North Nigeria. So it needs huge budget. Dubai has budgeted 65 billion US dollar for this project only, to make Dubai urban forest. Then number two, immediate priority for arid zone in North Nigeria, drought and water scarcity. How to address this problem in Nigeria to implement UNO goal 13. For that condition, harvesting, using new technologies, different type of harvesting of water from atmosphere, from rain, and from underground. And number 4, that is water harvesting, implement new technologies. I have already told you, AI sensor, rainwater, harvesting groundwater and atmosphere. Number 5, climate smart agriculture, CSA. Now we have to go for climate smart agriculture, deep farming, what Dubai is targeting. They have mentioned in their 2040 mission, that is green mission of Dubai. It includes agriculture also. They are encouraging urban agriculture. Urban agriculture means vertical agriculture. You are not going to use big space for agriculture. Rather, vertical application means that is your hydroponic, aquaponic farming. The farming without soil. The farming with only water and micronutrients in your balcony, in your backyard, in hanging position, and targeting all local consumption should be covered by local production of food grain, vegetable and fruit. And they are encouraging the urban farming also. That is climate smart agriculture, CSA, drought resistant crops, varieties, that is better in arid zone. Soil chemistry and management. For that you have to check every inch of your soil status. I discussed in previous letter. That is called soil health. To know all the nutrients, all the elements. And then after that you check that which type of vegetable, fruit or food grain is appropriate to grow in that particular soil. Then number 7, diversification. That you have to diversify your agriculture according to your climate. You have to combine livestock. Livestock means different type of animals. Big animal, small animals, even poultry, then farming, then aquaculture and fish farming. All these should be combined so that your risk is reduced. That is also one of the aim of the climate action, that is UNO goal 13 mission. Then number 3, urban forest, large scale urban plantation, that is Dubai has already declared. By 2040, they want to see Dubai into urban forest. By huge plantation, they are going to do millions and millions of plantation of different variety, so that once you enter in Dubai, you feel that you are in the forest. What I have given the example of Islamabad and New Delhi, the capital of India and Pakistan. They look like a thick forest. And then I have given the example, that is Dubai Green Spin. That is their heading, means urban forest, community garden, metro blue line, and also local food production by 2040. This is their aim and objective by 2040. Very efficient, that is blue line metro, then forest, and third, that is your production of food grain, that is local production of fruit and vegetables. So here, what I have discussed about climate action, for all these activities, one sentence is there. If Dubai can do, why not us? Us means maybe Nigeria, maybe India, maybe other countries. So for that first condition I am mentioning is honesty. Unless we practice honesty, discipline, that is called character. Unless we have good character, we cannot implement these projects. And let me make it very clear. Your perception and character, two are different things. Your perception is temporary. It can be created by electronic media, newspaper, print media, by your neighbors. That is temporary. It may go for 1 year, 2 year, 10 years. But your character means your honesty, your discipline is permanent. Nobody can change it. And Dubai's this development, when we went inside to investigate Singapore, these two places, absolute honesty is there in their project implementation. Whatever it comes, discipline, they are not ready to compromise. And we should learn first these two things. And here, when we are talking of honesty, of course, in Nigeria we can do a lot in this technology. And let me make it clear. Artificial intelligence, different technologies, tools, and blockchain, so many other new computer technology. Technology is always honest. Technology is neutral. Technology is not tribal. Provided that the command is by honest person. If the commanding person is tribal, technology will become tribal. If the commanding person who is commanding, who is the master to give the command. If he is dishonest, our whole technology will become dishonest. If the commanding people are corrupt, they are not honest, the whole system of technology will become corrupt. So that's why we should understand that all these new technologies, what it is used in these honest countries, all technologies are honest for development of all the forest and green and everything, and water resources, climate action, because it is in honest hand. So unless we practice honesty, our all development will be equal to zero. It will be leaked. There will be, that is called leakage. Everything is done on paper. In practice, it is zero. So my humble request, or I can say that I can only wish that let all these projects of UNO to target 17 goals are in the honest hand. Once it is in honest hand, technology will be automatically honest. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.